This style is the easiest style for any size to wear. It doesn't matter how broad you are, how thin you are, because this buckle is going to lose all the fabric. So what we're going to do is, Kate's got it on behind, so Kate, we're just going to feed that through here. Feed that through here. And then all we do is take it back as far as we want it to go. And then with this silk, you can do it yourself. If you're wider like I am, I just tuck it in under the actual fabric itself because it will still hold, because the buckle holds it. But that's a very simple style. And I think we can pull that down if you want to. You get the design there. And that, we've got it on over a cami for decency, but that is a lovely way to walk around the pool.